KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hi, this is Compass Control, and today we're demoing our bidirectional module for the KD-AMP220. So as you can see, this is our layout here. On the left side we have our level controls, and on the right side we have our input controls. It's very simple. You only have two inputs. So here on the left we have our level controls. So let's turn on some sound here so we can get a feel for how the sound actually outputs. So we can change the level on that. We can lower it. And as you can see, the module updates in the background after you do that. You can also mute it. We also have noise gate control. You can enable and disable that. We also have EQ settings here, which are pretty straightforward, just bass and treble. So we can lower the bass, raise the bass, same thing with the treble. Right now we're actually on input 2, so we can switch back to input 1, which we don't have anything running on. So that was about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube page for future updates.